ki khubor ka Bate TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Myntri ka kot kya ka Sarkar Jala ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo ka balasong ka jingalang perkhat kambat ki Ophisar ka tanat ka kot kya haka arpnyo trik julio arja Ophisar kala Bthah awakin shimkya ban pintiknano banchna ya ki Surok ki Pynïasoh ban ki Jaka Sumar kum ki sub center ki PHC bat CHC namar babun ki Surok ki degi balajot ban ki balasnio hadu kata-kata haka jingkran bigala Bthah kubor ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kala itu bah haka jingalang lai kran sani haka bay day ba jingpen biang ka boarding electric hagi ni ki Jaka Sumar.
Government honoring land donated to the department, honoring the discussion with landowners of ensuring that jobs are made available at least for one person from that clan or that family. So these kind of matters have been left pending for a very long time. I reviewed all of that. I hope that we will be able to correct all of these and we will take corrective measures at the earliest so that our facilities function without any difficulty or at least the minimal difficulties. Also talked about certain link roads leading towards these facilities, a sub-center, PHC, a CHC. Some of the roads are very dilapidated, so I've requested the officers to immediately look at all of the road sectors that we can initiate a discussion with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of PWD, that we can ensure that this also doesn't become a reason why centers are not functioning efficiently. We also have certain power issues in certain facilities. We've been assured by the Honorable Chief Minister in earlier discussions that we must converge and have alternative power services installed in all of these centers so that there is no stagnation of work due to non-availability of power supply. So all of this now we are auditing in the department. We had an internal auditing and I've requested officers to assign specific attention so that all of these matters are attended to at the earliest. So more or less this was something that we did for the health sector.